by Sister Shireen from Johannesburg, South Africa. In the present scenario of coronavirus, if the school gets opened, should I send my son to school as he has a chest problem and he easily gets bronchitis? Need your advice. I'm aware that most of the schools in most part of the world, they're closed, and maybe after a few weeks or a few months, when the surge of the coronavirus dies down, when the hype goes down, the schools will open. She's asking a question that if her son has got bronchitis and chest problems, should she send her child to school? And as you may be aware that COVID-19, that is coronavirus disease 2019 or SARS-CoV-2, the full form is severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. This means it is a respiratory syndrome. It affects the upper respiratory tract of the human beings. And if those people who have upper respiratory tract already, it's more chances they'll get affected, and if they get affected, it can be more fatal. So if your son is having this disease, it is preferable that he delays, should go a bit more late, so that the surge and the cases is completely low and the curve of this coronavirus COVID-19 is flattened. It's better. I would advise you that you show him to a doctor in your city and check him up and take his advice before sending your son to school.